Hey everybody, Forrest here. I've got a box of 23-24 Court Kings basketball hobby for Terrance T. Good luck, Terrance. Let's get that Wembanyama short print. Or hell, any short print I guess would be fire, but that's what we want. Come on, level 4, right here. Make Terrance's day. All right, so we got some base. Joker, Chet, Reeves. Level 1, Sensabaugh. Level 1, Scoot Henderson. Say Bam Adebayo, that's number 299. Yeah, 44 of 99. Jet Howard on the jersey card. Art Nouveau rookie jersey. Let's go Magic. Let's go. Brushstrokes auto. Iota Sunmu. It's a vet auto here. 24 of 35. Sunmu, good player there. We got watercolor Carmelo Anthony. And a self-expression Derek Lively. There you go, Terrance. Not quite the big Wemby we were hoping for there. Appreciate you. We'll get those out to you.